Hello, it's Simon here from Andover Norton and welcome to another back in stock video. We're back in the warehouse. We've been sifting around, seeing what we could find for you this week, and we've got a great list of items that are back in stock, so let's take a look. So first up is part number 131762, the pressure release valve assembly kit, and that is £28.74 including VAT. Part number 067307, our timing cover screw kit, is in 12 pieces and that is £14.05 for the Commando 1971 and 72. The swinging arm spindle kit for the Commando 68 to 74, part number 131744 is £106.74 including VAT. And part number 131814, the head steady assembly for the Commando Mark III 850 is £100.74. And finally this week, 065742/13, the front master cylinder assembly lever is £355.14 including VAT. And don't forget, if there's an item that you really want and it's not in stock at the moment, you can set yourself a reminder through the Andover Norton website, which will email you as soon as that item comes back in stock. If you're not too sure how to set it all up, we've got a video coming out very soon which will take you through the whole process. It's really simple. Until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.